Really?
What's that? Kanino yan? Parang...
Naiiyak ako sa'yo. Tumawa ka, tapos sabay talon. Totoo ba?
Hindi buksan mo.
Maaga na mahulog ah.
If you want to change your life, you have to change your mind. Okay? I'll start it with that. Kung gusto mong baguhin ang buhay mo, baguhin mo muna yung takbo ng utak mo. Kasi kung ano yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, lahat yan, nagmula sa utak mo lang. Nag-manifest lang yan into reality. Okay? Why? Because your thoughts, okay, becomes your words. And your words becomes your action. And your action becomes your reality.
Meron lang namin yung pabalik namin yan. Baka balita. Paano patutugtugin yan?